LTSB is a social mobility charity, and our aim is to support young people from disadvantaged backgrounds into employment. We run programmes nationally, just all around skills training for young people so that they gain the confidence and skills to be able to survive and thrive in the workplace.
Today we've had a really interesting collaboration between Page Outsourcing, OneAdvanced and Leadership Through Thought and Business. Essentially, we've got a group of young, aspiring, ambitious people down here to learn about the world of work, OneAdvanced, AI, software as a service, and the kind of skills that they can help to develop to offer the best opportunities for their next career journey as well.
Today's been fantastic. The volunteers from OneAdvanced, the insight that they've given these young people into all the different aspects of the organisation has been undescribable, really. And I think the young people are going to take a lot out of it.
We're committed to continuing to prioritise community engagement and social responsibility, building on our existing partnerships and initiatives just like these.